Hello from Slovenia again. First I want to show you a dry result from my last video. You see it's dry and it's without any cracks and dried just beautiful. And I must say that I like this painting kind of whatever. I really do. I will use my saucepan again today, but this is just a regular black base. It's not mixed with polyurethane satin varnish. It's just my pouring medium and water. So, and I will use some reds today. So let's start with vermilion, and I will start more on the top. To get a little different composition, and I will use some gold, metallic gold. And some violet. This is permanent blue violet. And cadmium red, middle hue. And I get a blob. I have to get it out. If I can, I can. Okay. And reflex orange. And some pearl white. And azo yellow, lemon hue. Let's see what will came out. Press and lift, and press and lift, press and lift. And I think I'm done. Just maybe a little touch here and there, but I think that this will be pretty much what I will do. maybe just a little something here. I try to do this just in case, because I think that you can see it properly because of the light. Just want to see if I can, or if I should do something, but I pretty much love this, and I'm so happy that I decided to give this technique a try, because I think it's really nice. Maybe I just don't like these spots of gold here. You can always tap your finger in it and you can fix areas that you maybe don't like as much. So I will just torch it and then I will show it to you, because I think it's just beautiful, or just in my eyes, I don't know. Sometimes I like some paintings, but sometimes I hate some and you like them, but this one is, I think that I like. I don't know if I like one of my paintings as much as I did this one. I don't know why, but I really do. So let me take you for a close-up. I hope that I can capture all this beauty, because the lighting is really not good in here. I have these lights, but still have to play a little bit, so let me show you these details. This one is just gorgeous. And the middle one, they're like beautiful tulips in my eyes. And this one, and this middle part here, and I just dip my saucepan I really like it. It's an abstract, but I have to say that I love this technique, and I will definitely do some bigger canvases with this technique because it's just simple and beautiful. So this is it for today. Tell me what you think. You see this beautiful effect that I did, or you don't like this technique? I don't know. Just tell me. Maybe should add some greens here, but I think that I'm quite happy with this. What is it on the canvas? Please subscribe if you didn't yet. Leave a comment. Give me your thumbs up if you like it. And see you on the next one. Bye.